Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be unboxing this tfal Kitchen Solutions non-stick 5-quart covered jumbo cooker. This was at Walmart for the Black Friday sale. It was $12.95, which is a steal because its original price was $34.99. So it says thermo spot, turn solid red when the pan is properly preheated. Pro glide non-stick for easy release and cleanup. And comfortable handles for a sturdy and secure grip. So they had this in 2 colors, the blue and also black. I got the blue one, and it's still actually on sale. So now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so here it is. As you can see, it's nice and big. The color is really pretty on it. Here's the lid, and it also comes with a warranty. You can scan and register your product. Okay guys, so of course I'm going to test it out. So my next video is going to be fried cabbage, and we're going to cook it in this jumbo cooker, and then I can give you an honest review on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.